Hello, can you help me, please?
Hello, sure. What are you looking for?
I need a dress for tonight.
What kind of dress would you like?
A black dress would be nice.
We have several black dresses here.
Can I see the options, please?
Yes, follow me to the rack.
This one is too long, though.
We have shorter dresses too.
Oh, can I try this one?
Of course. The fitting room's over there.
Thank you, I'll try it now.
Let me know if it fits.
I think it's a bit tight.
I'll get a bigger size.
Yes, a medium would be perfect.
Here's the medium for you.
Thank you. I'll try it again.
How does it fit now?
It fits much better this time.
Would you like to buy it?
I'd like to see more dresses.
We also have dresses in blue.
Oh, blue might be good, actually.
Let me show you the blue.
This blue dress looks very nice.
Would you like to try it?
Yes, I'll try this one too.
The fitting room is still available.
I like this one much better.
The color looks great on you.
Thank you. How much is it?
This one is $50 currently.
That sounds good. I'll take it.
Wonderful. Shall I wrap it up?
Yes, please, and I'll pay now.
Cash or card for your payment?
I'll pay with my credit card.
Here's your receipt and the dress.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your dress.
I'm sure I will, thanks again.
Have a great evening tonight.
You too. Goodbye. For now.
Goodbye. Come back anytime.
Hello, can you help me, please?
Hello, of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for a shirt, please.
What size do you usually wear?
I'm not sure, maybe medium size.
Let's try this medium size first.
This one feels a bit tight.
Would you like a larger size?
Yes, can I try a large?
Sure. I'll get the large.
Thank you. I'll try it now.
How does the large size fit?
It's a bit loose, actually.
Would you like to try medium again?
Yes, but in a different style.
I'll find another medium shirt.
This one looks much better now.
Does the size feel more comfortable?
Yes, this medium fits much better.
Great. Would you like to buy?
I'm still unsure about the size.
You could try the large again.
Could I try another large, please?
Yes, let me find one.
This large feels better than before.
Different styles fit differently sometimes.
Yes, I see that now, thanks.
Do you feel comfortable in it?
Yes, this size is more comfortable.
Would you like to buy it?
I'm still deciding between sizes.
Do you need more size options?
No, large or medium is fine.
You could try both again.
Yes, I'll compare both sizes again.
Take your time, no problem.
I think I prefer the medium.
The medium size looks great too.
Does this style come in blue?
Yes, we have blue in medium.
Can I see the blue one?
Here's the medium in blue.
Thank you. I'll try it now.
How does the blue shirt fit?
This one fits perfectly in medium.
I'm glad it's the right size.
Yes, I like this fit better.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, I'll take the medium blue.
Great choice. Let's ring it up.
How much is this shirt, please.
The shirt is $30 today.
That's a good price, I'll pay.
Cash or card for your purchase.
I'll pay with my credit card.
Here's your receipt and the shirt.
Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. Glad to help.
I'll definitely return next time.
We look forward to seeing you.
Thanks again. Have a great day.
You too. Take care. Goodbye.
Goodbye. I'll see you soon.
Yes, come back anytime.
Hello, can you help me, please?
Hello, of course. What are you looking for?
I want to try on clothes.
What clothes would you like to try?
I like this dress and shirt.
Sure. The fitting room is there.
Thank you. I'll try the dress first.
Let me know if you need help.
I think this dress is too tight.
Would you like a bigger size?
Yes, can I have a large?
Of course, I'll get the large.
Thank you. I'll wait right here.
Here's the large size for you.
Thanks. I'll try it right now.
How does the large size fit?
It fits better, but I'm unsure.
Do you need my opinion on it?
Yes, does this look too loose?
No, it fits you very well.
Thank you, I feel more confident now.
You look great in that dress.
Thanks. Now I'll try the shirt.
Take your time, no rush.
This shirt feels a little big.
Would you like a smaller size?
Yes, can I try a medium?
Sure. I'll bring a medium now.
I'll wait here for the shirt.
Here's the medium size shirt.
Thank you. I'll try it now.
Let me know how it fits.
This medium feels much better, thanks.
It looks perfect. Do you agree?
Yes, it's a good fit now.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, but I'll try the dress again.
Sure. Try both for comparison.
This dress looks better with accessories.
Yes, it matches your style well.
Do you think the color suits me?
Yes, that color looks amazing.
Thank you. I'll take both items.
Excellent choice. Let me wrap them.
How much are the shirt and dress?
The dress is $40, shirt $25.
That's a good price. I'll pay.
Cash or card for your payment?
I'll pay with my card, please.
Here's your receipt and your items.
Thank you for helping me today.
You're welcome. Glad to assist you.
I'll definitely shop here again.
We look forward to your return.
Thanks again. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your new clothes.
I will. Thanks for your advice.
Anytime. Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Yes, see you soon.
Hello, can you help me, please?
Hello, of course. What are you looking for?
I'm interested in buying this jacket.
That's a great choice, very popular.
Is there any discount on this?
Let me check for a discount.
Thank you, I would appreciate that.
This jacket is currently full price.
Do you have any upcoming sales?
We have a sale next week.
Can I get a discount now?
I'm afraid there's no discount today.
Do you offer any special promotions?
We offer discounts for loyalty members.
How can I become a member?
You can sign up right now.
Does it give me a discount immediately?
Yes, you get 10% off today.
That sounds good, I'll sign up.
Great. Please fill out this form.
Here's the form, all filled out.
Thank you. Now you're a member.
Can I use the discount now?
Yes, your jacket is now 10% off.
Thank you. How much is it now?
The jacket is now $45.
That's a good price, I'll buy.
Wonderful. Shall I wrap it up?
Yes, please, I'll take it now.
Would you like anything else today?
Do you have any other offers?
We have discounts on accessories too.
Can I see the accessories, please?
Yes, they are right over here.
I like this scarf. Is it discounted?
Yes, it's 20% off right now.
How much is it with the discount?
The scarf is now $16.
That's a good deal, I'll take it.
Great. I'll add it to your purchase.
Thank you. Are there any more offers?
We have a buy one get one sale.
What items are included in that?
It applies to all t-shirts here.
Can I buy 2 t-shirts now?
Yes, you pay for one only.
How much is 1 t-shirt?
One t-shirt is $20 today.
So I get 2 for $20?
Yes, that's right. A great deal.
I'll take 2 t-shirts as well.
Wonderful. Let's add them to your order.
Thank you. Any other special promotions?
That's all the offers for today.
Thank you for the information, though.
You're welcome. Ready to check out?
Yes, I'll pay for everything now.
Cash or card for your payment?
I'll pay with my credit card.
Here's your receipt and your items.
Thank you for all your help today.
You're welcome. Glad to assist you.
I'll definitely return for more deals.
We look forward to seeing you again.
Thanks again. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Enjoy your new items.
I will. Thanks for the discounts.
Anytime. Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Yes, come back soon.
Hello, can you help me today?
Hello. What outfits are you considering?
I'm choosing between 2 outfits now.
Great. What are the outfits like?
One is a blue dress today.
And what is the other outfit?
The other is a green jumpsuit.
Both outfits sound nice. Try them.
I'll try them both on now.
Let me know when you're ready.
Here's the blue dress and back.
The blue dress looks lovely on you.
Thank you. I like this color.
Would you like to try the jumpsuit?
Yes, I'll try the jumpsuit now.
I'll wait here for your opinion.
I'm back with the jumpsuit on.
The jumpsuit fits you very well.
I'm unsure which outfit to choose.
Let's compare both outfits together now.
This dress feels more comfortable though.
Comfort is very important for outfits.
The jumpsuit looks stylish and modern.
Yes, it's very trendy right now.
Should I choose style or comfort?
It depends on the occasion, you know.
I have a party this weekend.
The blue dress is perfect for parties.
But the jumpsuit is more unique.
Unique outfits can make a statement too.
I need to think about this.
Take your time to decide, please.
Should I ask friends for advice?
Yes, friends can help you decide.
I'll take photos of both outfits.
That's a great idea. Good luck.
Thank you. I appreciate your help today.
You're welcome. Happy to assist you.
I think I'll choose the dress.
That's a lovely choice for sure.
I'll buy the blue dress today.
Wonderful. Let's get it wrapped up.
How much is the blue dress?
The dress is $50 today, please.
Thank you. I'm excited to wear it.
You will look amazing in it.
I'll definitely come back for more.
We look forward to seeing you.
Do you have more dresses here?
Yes, we have many styles available.
Can I see some of them?
Sure. They're right over this way.
Thank you. I'd love to see.
Here are some beautiful dresses for you.
These dresses are very pretty, thank you.
You're welcome. Let me know your favorites.
I like the red one over there.
The red dress would look great.
I'll try it on next time.
That sounds like a plan.
Thanks again for your assistance today.
Anytime. I'm here to help you.
I appreciate your advice on outfits.
Happy to give advice. Have fun.
I will, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new dress.
Goodbye. I'll see you soon again.
Goodbye. Looking forward to your visit.